In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ZOHO Mail not receiving emails. This can be a frustrating situation when you're expecting important messages and nothing is coming through. Fortunately, these steps are straightforward and should help you resolve the issue efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, we need to gather some support. Open up your preferred web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type in ZOHO Email Support. This will pull up ZOHO's support options, which can be a vital resource in solving more persistent issues if need be. It's always good to know where you can get assistance directly from the service provider. Once the results load, look for the link that says ZOHO Mail Contact Us. Click on this link, which will take you to ZOHO's contact page. This page is where you can get in touch with their support team to report any ongoing issues you might be experiencing, and is the main hub for troubleshooting mail problems. Now you'll see a form laid out on this page. Begin by typing in your email address in the provided field. It's crucial to ensure that this email is correct, as ZOHO might contact you through it with updates regarding your issue. Next, provide your phone number. Having your phone number on file can be helpful for ZOHO if they need to reach you directly, although this step might be optional. This adds another layer of communication between you and their support team. After that, take a moment to choose the category that best fits your issue. In this case, you might select email not receiving or a similar option that matches your concern. This categorization ensures that your problem is directed to the right department for timely and effective support. Following this step, you'll need to provide a detailed description of the problem. Here, the more information you can provide, the better. Describe when the problem started, if there have been any recent changes to your account, and any troubleshooting steps you've already tried. This detail will arm the support team with all they need to assist you effectively. Before you submit the form, you'll see a section requesting a CAPTCHA code. Type in the code you see on your screen. This is a simple security measure to verify that you're a human and not a bot flooding the system with requests. Finally, it's time to click the Submit button. Once you've done this, your request will be sent to the ZOHO support team and you'll receive a confirmation message that your query has been logged. From here, it's a matter of waiting for a response from their team. Keep an eye on your inbox, as they might reach out for more information or provide solutions directly. And there you have it. You've submitted your problem to ZOHO's support team with these simple steps, helping you get back to receiving emails as soon as possible. If further issues arise, don't hesitate to reach out to their support for additional help. Thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.